Target Trading Academy.
Good afternoon, everybody. Preston Vogl here at Target Trading Academy with today's Micros Market Recap. It is Monday, November 20th, well after the New York close here. If we get started right in oil, you can see we opened way gap up from that prior high and closed from Friday, which was around here, that close. We had an initial move down, but it was short-lived, and they just started climbing for the remainder of the day until probably about the last 20, 30 minutes or so, where they just retraced and dropped down, leaving us net positive. Moving on to the next market here, gold. Well, gold opened gap down, unlike oil, which opened gap up. We had a dip down. They found support just prior to this HVA edge once, came to it second time, and then that's when they had that overtake of hands and buyers step forward. And ultimately, they finally got to the range low, but not quite to that close that was around here for the day. But it is what it is. They tried their hardest, and they just didn't quite get to where they wanted. But we are finishing net down on that market. So negative in gold, positive in oil. As far as the equities go, well, they opened inside their range. ES, I believe, opened pretty much right at its close and just went straight up. And it's just ping-ponged in between these HVA edge for a little while before ultimately starting that climb for the remainder of the day. It did have some retracements, which is normal. But ultimately just finishing off net positive. Very similar story in the NASDAQ. You can see a bunch of white space here, which means that we left that contract high. So we opened inside that market in the NASDAQ. The difference with the NAS is we didn't open at the close. We opened above it, and they just kept climbing initially and just kept going. So in short, that's pretty much what we had happen for us today. We had several opportunities if you were patient for them, but ultimately we are finishing positive in the equities, positive in oil, and negative in gold. If you're looking for more information about these levels and the methodology and how you can get them onto your charts the night before, feel free to reach out to us. We are Target Trading Academy. You can find us on Facebook or go to our website at targettrading.co. Get in touch with a representative at either of those locations. They'll gladly show you what we do in our rooms each and every day.